If you're preparing for an accounting interview, understand this. Most candidates are not getting rejected because they do not know about accounting. They are rejected because they don't know how to present what they are already known. In this video, I'm going to show you what actually gets tested in real accounting interviews based on real candidate experience, recruiters' expectations, and also the industry hiring pattern. And I will also give you 11 must prepare accountancy questions that can cover a major portion of the interview. Most people think interviews focus on complex standards or advanced adjustment. But in reality, especially for entry and mid-level roles, interviews focus on fundamentals, practical workflows, understanding, and clarity of concepts. Interviewers usually check three things: your accounting basics, your real work understanding, and how clearly you explain the concepts. These are the 11 accountancy interview questions you should definitely prepare for. First, can you explain the three financial statements and how they are linked? This checks your overall accounting understanding and the business clarity. Second, what is a double entry system in the accounting? Now, this tests your core accounting foundation. Third, what is the difference between accounts payable and accounts receivable? This checks whether you understand the real business transactions or not. Fourth, what is bank reconciliation and why is it so much important? This tests your accuracy in mindset and practical workflow knowledge. Fifth, what is the difference between depreciation and amortization? This checks your asset accounting clarity. Sixth, how do you detect and correct an accounting error? This tests your problem solving approach and also a practical level thinking. Seventh, what happens during the month end closing process? Now, this checks your understanding of real corporate accounting workflow. Eighth, what are the internal controls and why are they so much important? This tests your awareness about risk and audit concepts. Ninth, what is the difference between cash accounting and accrual accounting? Now, this checks your actual conceptual clarity and the real world application. 10th, what are the provisions and contingent liabilities? This tests your understanding of accounting adjustment and standards. 11th, what is working capital and how do you manage it? This checks your overall business and financial understanding. Now, here is something very important. Knowing answer is not enough. You must be able to explain answers clearly with structure and preferably with exact real examples. Candidates who give practical example always stands out. Also, avoid common mistakes like ignoring basics, preparing only for advanced topics, not practicing speaking your answer, or going into interview without understanding the real workflow. Let me conclude this. Accounting interviews are not designed to trick you. They are actually designed to check whether you are reliable, accurate, and you have practical understanding of real world situations or not. If you focus on fundamentals, prepare real examples, and practice structured communication, you're already moving ahead from most of the candidates. If you found this helpful and you are serious about building a career in finance and accounting, stay connected with us. Join our WhatsApp community. The link is in the description, where we regularly share interview prep content, career guidance, real industry updates, and more content like this. Make sure you follow and stay tuned and keep learning and keep growing.